When you need painting, remodeling, repairs, or general improvement to your home or business, call Routine Maintenance. They provide quality work at a fair price for Fayette County and surrounding areas. Do you have condensation in your insulated windows? Routine Maintenance has added a Windomatics franchise to their services and in most cases can permanently remove moisture to improve the look and restore the R value to your windows without removal and at a fraction of the cost of replacement. Call Routine Maintenance today for a free estimate on any of your home or business needs.